Today we're talking about families in Anindilyakwa. The word for father is Nungwarrka and the word for mother is Dirndirrka. There's two words for brothers. For the older brother is Nawarrka and for the younger brother is Nenikumarnjarrka. And then there's two words for sisters. For big sister is Diyabarrka. For little sister is Dadiyamarnjarrka. If you was a woman, you would say Nabirrka for son and Dabirrka for daughter. And if you are a man, you would say Nenikuwarrka for son and Dadiyawarrka for daughter. If you're talking about other people's family, you're changing the ending of the words. My sister is Diyabarrka. Your sister is Diyabana. His sister is Diyabarrka. Her sister is Diyabarrka. That's how you talk about families in Anindilyakwa.